Today I'd like to tell you about the 3D connection SpaceMouse Enterprise and how to use it with 3DF Zephyr. Since integrating it into my workflow, I noticed a significant improvement in speed and precision. The SpaceMouse works like a 3D joystick and allows me to navigate through space with natural fluid movements. Thanks to its 6 degrees of freedom, I can rotate, zoom and move in all directions, even combining them. In this way, I can explore the model continuously, without interruptions or unnecessary clicks, keeping my focus on analysis and model quality. One of the most useful features of the 3D connection SpaceMouse Enterprise is its ability to explore the smallest details of the model with extreme precision. With a traditional mouse, operations like these take time and are often inaccurate. The SpaceMouse allows me to move freely in any direction, making it much easier to access even the most hidden or complex areas of the point cloud. This is especially useful during the mesh cleaning phase, as it allows for precise work on every part of the model, improving the final quality of the project. The SpaceMouse Enterprise is not just a 3D controller, it's also a customizable tool. Each function key can be configured to suit your workflow. I can assign shortcuts for navigation, selection, cleaning, or quickly switching views. In this way, I am able to access the tools I use the most, without taking my hands off of the controller and making the entire process faster and more efficient.